Hello everyone, welcome back to our Developing for a Better Living series by Samui Condo. In today's video, I will go behind the scenes to show you the process of pouring your swimming pool floors and walls in one day. Our target today is to finish the pouring work in one time to maximize the structural strength and construction efficiency. There will be a total of 150 cubic meters of ready-mixed concrete, which is delivered on site by 25 concrete trucks. So before our pouring work begins, our construction team will visit our neighbor to get their approval for us working overtime tonight. Neighborly relationships are very important. Now it's 10 a.m. in the morning, and we have already begun the concrete pouring progress. Throughout the entire pouring progress, our project manager team and experienced engineer maintain a continuously communication with the contractor's foreman. We also use the tower crane to assist the workers to pour concrete into the walls of the swimming pool, as it is hard to be accessed by the concrete trucks. For large-scale concrete pouring, there are 5 points that we must look out for. The first key point is selecting a date for the pouring. It is important to avoid pouring concrete during heavy rain or extreme heat, because these conditions can affect the curing progress and compromises the strength of the concrete. The second key point is installation of formwork and rebar before the concrete pouring progress. Our inspector team has checked and approved the inspection of the concrete floors and walls for the criteria including but not limited to checking for the quality and positioning of the formwork, rebar size and distancing, formwork support, etc. This will ensure that the work is completed accurately and effectively without the need for rework. The third key point is to make sure the concrete is poured into the seams and gaps in between the formwork and the rebar. We use a lot of mechanical vibrators to ensure that all the concrete structure have no air voids and honeycomb. The last key point is to make sure the concrete does not dry out too quickly. Samui has a warm tropical climate which will speed up the time for concrete to dry, which will potentially cause cracking, surface defects, uneven curing, and the reduction of strength. Therefore, the foreman is instructing the workers to spray water during the course of the progress. I will come back in the afternoon, and we will see how much progress has been made. Now it is 3 p.m. and we are back to the site. 110 cubic meters of concrete has already been poured. As you can see, the floor of the swimming pool is approximately 80% completed. The workers are using concrete grid to even the concrete in the floor and using vibrators to consolidate the concrete mixture to fill up the areas in between the formwork of the swimming pool wall. Let's come back at night to check up on the progress.
Currently, it is 2 a.m. in the morning and the workers are just finishing the last truck of concrete to be poured into the wall of the swimming pool. Today, a total of 186 cubic meters of concrete is poured by 28 concrete trucks, which is above and beyond our original goal. This work will not be made possible without the help of our staff, our contractor, our concrete supplier, and the support from our neighbors. Thank you everyone who have worked hard to make this become possible. Thank you for walking through a whole day of work with me. We are Samui and we develop for a better living. Good night.